Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by building the raw foundation. Open Clipchamp and create a new project with the correct aspect ratio for your platform. Once done, import all footage, graphics, and audio. Drag and drop is fastest. You should organize clips into bins and set rough and slash out points so you don't waste time later. Make sure to trim obvious dead space now. It speeds editing. As you work, name tracks and lock any elements you don't want changed, which prevents accidental edits. Now you focus on the detailed execution. Assemble clips on the timeline and arrange sequences for pacing. You'll use split and ripple delete to tighten timing, then add transitions where necessary to smooth cuts. Make creative use of keyframes for motion and picture-in-picture. This adds polish. Adjust audio, duck music under speech and fix level peaking. Apply color correction or a LUT to unify shots, and check continuity, frame by frame to catch jump cuts or mismatched exposure before exporting. Finish by exporting with intent. Select resolution and frame rate that match your delivery platform, and pick a quality that balances file size and clarity. You should preview the final render to confirm audio sync and visual fidelity. If upload errors or glitches appear, don't re-export the whole project immediately. Clear Clipchamp's cache, restart the app, and re-render only the affected segment. If a codec mismatch persists, switch to H.264 and re-export. That resolves most compatibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.